Good morning, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to another video. Today is Friday and it's another day, another morning, and another beautiful sunrise. The water is like all steamy because the air is colder than the temperature of the water, or vice versa. I don't know which one it is, but that's why the water's all steamy and stuff. Dude, it is freezing out here. It's like a big whopping 0 degrees. And it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. Like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way whenever I upload a video, hopefully you will get the notification for my future uploads. And I think I'm gonna go on Penobscot Avenue this morning and see what's going on over there. I haven't been on that street in a while, and with the sun coming up over, see how pretty it looks over there. My word, it is freezing out here. Last night the wind was blowing so hard. It was like 17-mile-an-hour wind with gusts up to like 25 or something. Oh, check this out. See, just a minute. The moon is right there too. See that moon? It's supposed to be like a strawberry moon last night. I'm not sure what that means, but see that? Pretty cool, huh? Like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you when I get down to the Penobscot Avenue. See ya. Look at the river. The river's like all frozen. But the sun is coming up. This will make it a little warmer out, but look, just peeping up over the trees. Look how pretty that is. Yeah, it's beautiful. Oh, it looks so cool. See the steam coming off? It is pretty cold this morning, but that sun hopefully will come out and make it look beautiful. So this is what it's like. I'm at this this boat landing here. The bridge is right there that I just come off in. And on the other side is where the sun is. You can see it coming up over here. The river, this is the Piscataquis River. And look at this. The sun's coming up over. The river is all frozen. The sun's coming up from the back side of me and the moon is like right there. Isn't that super cool? Oh, that's super cool. Usually I'm on that road walking, but I'm gonna go on Penobscot Avenue, but isn't it gorgeous? Yeah. It is beautiful. To the boat landing over here on Penobscot Avenue. Look at this. It is beautiful. Dang. It looks like they plowed a little bit over here, so I'll walk down here next to the water. Oh, would you look at this? Would you look at this? God's beauty right here. Then you got a big snowbank. Oh man. The river has frozen over. And it looks like it's got a, you know, the 3 inches of snow that we got. Plus the wind is always nice. Oh my word, it is so beautiful. Finally, the sun comes out after, I think it's been like since Tuesday. The sun hasn't been coming out. It's been all wicked cloudy and crappy out. It is gorgeous. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Oh man, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like, see the little animal footprints? Looks like there was an animal that tried to walk on the river. Oh my word, it is so pretty here. It is so gorgeous here. Oh my word, with the sun blaring. Oh, sorry. With the sun blaring and behind me and stuff. Oh man, it's so pretty out here. And the river is all frozen up. It's gorgeous. Go this way. I'd go down, well, I don't know, I might go down here without wrecking myself because it's awful steep down here. See that? Little snow. I hope that come out good. Oh shoot. Anywho. Usually I go real close to the riverbank, but with it snowing, well, with this snow on the side, it looks like this, and it's kind of scary. It is so friggin' beautiful down here. I wonder what the runaround looks like. Probably the same deal as pretty as it is here. So like and subscribe. Here's where the runaround looks like. This is definitely frozen over because it's not very deep over here. But that's what it looks like. It's real pretty over here. So now I'll probably go back home. And when I first came out here, my feet were frozen. My hands were frozen. When I first did the intro to this video, my fingers were frozen. I had to like take them out of the little, you know, out of the finger holes and like put my hands like this inside my glove. And my toes were frozen. I had to keep stopping and wiggling my toes. Oh man. Then the sun came up, so it's not too bad. My eyes still watering. My feet aren't frozen anymore. My face isn't too bad. I don't know, I can't tell. But now with the sun up and I'm down here at the river and stuff, it's really not that bad. And I'll be walking back. I hope you enjoyed my video. Like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hit the notification bell so that way whenever I upload a video, hopefully you'll get the notification for my future uploads. In the description down below is a link to all my social medias, my link tree. Like, share, comment, share this video, like this video, and I hope you come again. Thank you for watching, and I hope everyone has a nice day. Share, like, and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you on my next adventure. See you later.